Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Ethereum. Are we going to have a breakout? Let's see. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. We added 2 new tiers for your own needs. If you need something very less expensive, actually, you should be adding the tier 1. If you need something that you get all the packages, you should be adding the tier 2. The tier 3 is for professional use only, one-to-one scalp trading. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start. Ethereum against USDT chart right here, daily frame. What are we having is a possible falling wedge formation, okay? Whenever you see this 20-day EMA rejection after a downtrend with lower lows, lower highs, and eventually a higher low in the RSI and in the technical analysis, we are expecting something good. Eventually though, we might be ending up testing, for example, the 1.6k one more time before we go up, right? So we want to see how are we going to do with Ethereum against Bitcoin chart and what BTC is going to do. BTC is having the 31.8k as a major resistance level. As you all know, if we can close above, then we can go potentially to the next targets. If we cannot, then we will stay downtrend in a downtrend and we won't assume that we are bullish. Okay, so for the time being, BTC is getting rejected in this area and we are floating right now around 30 to 30.5k. Anyway, for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, better days are going to come probably, and I think that we are going to see an uptrend. However, this uptrend will be on the weekly frame as well, but it won't be enough to get us all the way up in our next all-time, not all-time high, sorry, but into the next higher high than 6 December 2021 for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. Although the Ethereum 2.0 is going very fantastically, and I think that it will bring a revolutionary to the system right there, and this will push the price eventually even higher. But for now, for the time being, we are going to get a very nice buying pressure probably around this area between this Fibonacci. If I draw the fib from the top to the bottom, you can see that we are having a huge resistance level for now at the 0.06165, which is also the 20-day EMA going to come around here, right? You can see that 20-day EMA is getting close to the target. The next price target will be the 0.0643, and we will see after if we can go even higher, but we are going to have a buying pressure for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, that is certain. Let's go back to Ethereum against USDT chart. So we are having the lower highs, the lower lows pattern, tending to get into a situation where we are going a little bit, as you can see, into a very closing position. Falling wedge right here, this is a pattern where we can see on a downtrend, on an uptrend, okay, we can see it in general in both trends. You will see very many articles in the Google if you search it out, but many articles are different. What I mean by that, some people are seeing the falling wedge as a falling wedge pattern after a downtrend, some seeing as a falling wedge after an uptrend, and it is a continuation pattern. I'm going to make an educational video on what is falling wedge and how we can identify it. Okay, in the meantime, the lower low, lower high pattern is not bad for Ethereum right here. Rather than that, I believe that it is good. Seeing the weekly frame as well, seeing the sellers stepping into a little bit weakened, you can see that the sellers are weakened right here. We are going to go even higher, possibly on the weekly frame as well. Okay, maybe retesting the 2.5k. We will see about that though. We have long time ahead of us. 2.5k could be in the cards, but whatever the reason is, we cannot assume that we are currently bullish and we have already found the bottom. Okay, we need further confirmation first, and always remember a breakout is better than DCAing. When you have a breakout, you are certain that you should be going in and you just go in. When you have, for example, to DCA all the way down, it is a long-term okay, I know that it is a long-term right here strategy. However, it doesn't always work, especially with crypto that it's very volatile. You might end up DCing all the way down and down and down, spending more and more money and ending up nowhere. Okay, so avoid DCing for the time being. Things are looking good after many consecutive weekly bearish candlestick. I think that we are going to have a good buying pressure for Ethereum as well. Next price targets for Ethereum against USDT are the following ones. Drawing the fib from the top to the bottom right here, you will see that we have the first one being at the 2.156, second one at the 2.4, and the third at the 2.6 as well. I think that the 2.4 is a very huge resistance level. I do not know if we can get even higher. However, we will have to see. First, we need to break the 2.156k. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/mindyourcrypto, and of course, see you soon with many more videos. Bye.